Recently, the Delhi High Court has dismissed the petition to stop the work amid the COVID epidemic, describing which project as a project of national importance. Answer: Central Vista project. Which of the following country hosted the 2021 P4G Sequel Summit, partnering for green growth and the Global Goals 2030? Answer is South Korea. Research, Design and Standards Organization is the standard body to join the One Nation One Standard scheme. The RDSO is based in which city? Answer is Lucknow. Offshore patrol vessel Sajag has been commissioned to which armed force? Answer is Indian Coast Guard. How many spokes are there in the wheel of Indian national flag? Answer is 24. The capital of Federal Republic of Germany is? Answer: Berlin. The Indus Valley houses were built of? Answer is bricks. The Asian Games are organized after every? Answer is 4 years. Which of the following countries has never been the venue of Asian Games? Answer is Pakistan. How many players are there in a water polo team? Answer is 7. At which place will you find maximum sunlight in this December? Answer is Kanyakumari. Which of the following animals was known to ancient Vedic people? Answer: lion. Which of the following is a better measure of economic development? Answer: national income. The most density populated country in South Asia is? Answer: Maldives. Biogas mainly contains? Answer: methane. The new railway coach factory has been set up with the assistance of? Answer: Kapurthala. Which is not a fiber material? Answer: rubber. India Institute of Science is located at? Answer: Bangalore. Viacom Mohammad Bashir was a famous? Answer: writer. The normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is? Answer: 340. Which country has signed a law to formalize the exit from Open Skies Treaty? Answer: Russia. E100 pilot project which was launched recently is associated with? Answer: ethanol production. Which technology company launched the Asia Pacific Cyber Security Council? Answer: Microsoft. Which state has launched the portal named Akansha? Answer: Karnataka. Which nation has allowed women to attend Hajj without a male guardian? Answer: Saudi Arabia. As per a new study, which rainforest is emitting more carbon dioxide that can is absorbed? Answer: Amazon rainforest. Which state cabinet has approved a new youth policy? Answer: Meghalaya. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' trip to the edge of space lasted for how many minutes? Answer: 11. Which nation has unveiled 600 km per hour maglev train, the fastest ground vehicle globally? Answer: China. Which nation's presidential palace was targeted with 3 rockets during Eid prayers on July 20th? Answer: Afghanistan. Which smartphone maker has become the world's second biggest smartphone brand in second quarter of 2021? Answer: Xiaomi. Isaac Herzog has been elected as the 11th president of which of the following country? Answer: Israel. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer: Arun Kumar Mishra. Cabinet approved the singing and approval of an agreement for cooperation in the field of mass media between all the member country of which organization? Answer: SCO. Stargazing: The Players in My Life is the book about which Indian cricketer? Answer: Ravi Shastri. Who among the following is appointed as 16th Commanding in Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command? Answer: Ajay Singh. Who among the following is the author of the book Language of Truth, Essay 2003-2020? Answer: Salman Rushdie. Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandra Nair has taken over as the Director General of which of the following paramilitary forces? Answer: Assam Rifles. Who among the following appointment as new President of Confederation of India Industry for 2021-2022? Answer: T.V. Narendran. The world's first human case of H10N3 bird flu has been reported in which nation? Answer: China. Which of the following organization conducting Steadfast Defender 21 War Games military exercise? Answer: NATO. World's first nano urea liquid for farmers across the world was developed by which of the following? Answer: IFCO. Who among the following has been conferred the WHO Director General Special Recognition Award for achievements in the field of tobacco control in India? Answer: Harshvardhan. Who has become the world's fastest woman to scale Mount Everest? Answer: Sang Yin Hung. Which of the following country has conducted joint air defense exercise Sky Guard 1 2021 with Pakistan for the first time? Answer: Egypt. Recently, the Ministry of Education has launched a Yuva program to train which young group? Answer: authors. According to recent census, in which state black bucks has doubled in last 6 years? Answer: Odisha. Which state has decided to include disaster and pandemic management in high school and college curriculums? Answer: Odisha. Recently, UAE government for granted golden visa to which of the Indian actor? Answer: Sanjay Dutt. Recently, China get the control of the Hambantota port. Hambantota port is located in which country? Answer: Sri Lanka.